Kush again, and today we're doing a rain cloud experiment. We have 4 food colors, 4 glass cups full of water, a syringe, shaving cream, and a huge glass, and a big glass with water with a little bit of space to put the shaving cream. So first you get your first food color, put 1 drop into it. Second food color, same. Third food color. And fourth food color. Okay, mix up with the syringe so it turns all the color. Okay, once all of your food colors are completely sucked up the water, then with the shaving cream, you you spray it on top. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. After you got that entire space full with the syringe, you get your first food color, suck some up, put it down the corner. Oops, too fast. Okay, if you do it too fast, try again. Next food color. Okay, so that actually was a fail. You have to get a little bit more. You have to get about this much, pour it, and then it's not still raining. I'm pretty sure you have to get the entire syringe full. Okay, that was it for now. That was it. Okay, if you want, you can do some fun and pour the entire thing down. Okay, that's the end of this video. Bye.